Let me tell you nothing but the truth. Quote me anywhere in the world. The truth is, nobody can actually be able to hurt a person that they truly love a lot. If that man truly loves you, cannot imagine himself hurting you. If that woman truly loves you as a man, nothing in this world can give her the ability to be able to hurt you. The problem is that so many people are just being attached to someone for one reason or the other. It might even be that you are lonely or that person is the only person available. That's the problem. Okay? Don't blame it on love. Love is always going to remain a very beautiful thing, but with the right person. Never forget this.